Welcome everyone. Let's start our journey of political science. Now, before we used to call this subject as civics, but now it's changed into political science. So, what was civics? Civics was just about rights and duties of citizens. The citizen who stays in a country, their rights and duties we used to study in our civics. So, that was civics. But political science is a larger scope. It is more wider than just rights and duties of people. So now we have something called political science where what happens? We are staying in a human civilization where a lot of humans come, they stay in relation to each other. There are various rules and regulations that's there in an organization. These organizations are known as states. These states are nothing but when we say in political science, the word states, that means a country, a total economy, एक पूरा देश, that is state. So when we learn how this state is in relation with government and how does the government actually controls the entire state and makes the rules for it, this relationship, this totally is the total scope of political science which we will study in this journey of political science in our first year. Without wasting any time, let's start with the first chapter of our political science, that's nothing but the meaning, nature and scope of political science. Let's jump into the introduction. Political science is a premier social science. Premier means we have a premium version, right? It's something that's a bit more, a bit sophisticated than what you have already studied in your social science of 10th class. So it is a premier, like we have Netflix premium version. So such kind of thing, it will have various concepts that you have not studied, which is in a superior level. So political science is a premier social science. It is mainly concerned with the study of state. Again, state means country, its relation with society. First one is the society, country's relationship with the society. Second one with the citizen. Third one with the various association, labor association, people coming together, partnership firms, company, industries, associations, and lastly world at a large. So we understand the relationship. It is the study of relationship between the state and society, citizen, association, and the world at large. Aristotle is regarded as the father of political science. So who is the father of political science? It is Aristotle. Aristotle is the father of political science. He wrote a famous book called The Politics. So that's the reason he is the father of political science. He wrote the book called Politics. Meaning and definition of political science. What is the meaning? What is the basic meaning of political science? Let's try to understand. The word politics, oh my god, is derived from Greek word polis, which means city and state. When we see politics, we will always be like, oh my god, it is about all about various parties coming together, but it's not like that. It is derived from a Greek word which is polis. The Greek word is polis and which means city and state. That means a relationship between the city and state, that is the country. What is the relationship? So that's what the politics word was derived from the Greek word polis. Next, the word polity is derived from Greek word politia. So this which means government and constitution. That means politia means government and constitution. So these are the main etymology or the root word from where we have this thing called political science or the word called political. Let's understand the definition of political science. There are two types of definitions for political science, namely the traditional definition, that is the old definition which is given, and the modern definition of political science. According to traditional writers, political science is the study of state and government. That means it is the study of state and government. How does the state is related to government and the basic study of state and government. That means the entire central government politics and these all things are related with the traditional approach or the traditional definition of political science. It is the study of state and government. Therefore, state and government are the main topics to study political science. That means the main topic that we will study is always state and government. According to the modern writer, political is the science of study of power. That means it is the science of study of power. How much power is concentrated in the hands of one people. So that's what it's the total thing about power. Something like Stalin movie. It is about all about power. or the policy making science or fundamental activity in every organized group of human life. That means it is all about policy making also. It's not only about power, how one person has the power of the economy. It is also about policy making, making various plans for fundamental activities by the organized group of human life.